We are getting ready for the New Year's Eve bike ride, and it's a night bike ride because we want to begin here and go to the city and see how it's looking like in the night. And there are a number of things that you can do when you want to ride at night and ride safely. Make sure you're riding in a group, like will be 3 to 4 of us. The more you can be seen, the better for you. If you can afford it or you're able to do it, have an escort vehicle with you. So, enjoy the 2017 New Year's Eve bike ride! Yay! That's Karis! Karis is the one who introduced me to cycling. Yeah. There he is. Glad to have you back, man.
Thank
you. Larry is committing to ride 3,000 kilometers in 2017.
No.
What is Strava?
6,000 kilometers.
He's just corrected me. 6,000. You hear that?
That's
6,000 kilometers. That's not a joke. Let's go, guys. And this is how we do it. We are at the bistro in Westlands, and because of our clothing, our outfit, we cannot be allowed in, but that's fine. We are enjoying it. Keep it low. Bye.